everybody, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my new videos that I make every single day and pretty much make public every single day. Anyway guys, we're in the beautiful state of New Hampshire. The slogan for it is live free or die, according to the sign when entering. Looks like Massachusetts, except it looks a little more country and I love it like this. Now, good and bad about trucking in New Hampshire is there's some drawbacks. Let's start with the positives. Very beautiful, almost 4 seasons of the year. And it's more country. It's not a city like if you're trying to truck through here, unless you go into some low bridges area or something. But I for now like it here. The bad news is that probably getting a reload out of New Hampshire is not going to happen. Your best bet would probably be either to deadhead to state of New York or even Pennsylvania or Massachusetts. You might not find any loads coming out of New Hampshire. Even Vermont, the neighboring state, might not have it. So that's the situation. The fuel prices, they're about the same as Massachusetts and Connecticut. It's Democrat state with Republican values, I want to say conservative values, I guess. So it's not a bad state, but at the same time, the prices would be like Democrats, but it shouldn't be too bad. So New York is one of the worst, and the same thing in Pennsylvania. Now, what I do want to say about New Hampshire is that if you're going to take a load in New Hampshire, it's not going to be bad at all. It's going to usually pay good. Now, about truck stops, guys, there's no major truck stops in New Hampshire. As a matter of fact, if you're coming up on this highway from Massachusetts, the last major truck stop would actually be either a toll plaza like Travel Center or the TA in Wellington, Connecticut, which it got stuck for 48 hours because the truck broke down, which is covered in a later video. Now, it can get cold, it can get some, so you can see snow, and it can get pretty rough. So be careful in the wintertime, as always. Now, weigh stations, guys, in my opinion, it is pretty much just like, I would like to say, what was I going to say? I'm trying to concentrate here. But, yeah, weigh station wise, it's just like, I want to say, Massachusetts and all them, because in Connecticut, their weigh stations are mostly closed for most of the time. So I can't really say anything about their weigh stations because I don't really have that much experience. But that's what I know about their weigh stations. Now, traffic-wise, so far not bad at all. It's not really that much traffic, so you're clear on that. But another bad thing about the state of New Hampshire is these tollways. Welcome to the East Coast, guys. Mostly everything is tollways in the East Coast, and New Hampshire's part of it. The last state that didn't have tollways was honestly Connecticut, where I drove through. So that's the good and bad of trucking in New Hampshire. I would always look for loads ahead of time if you're trucking in New Hampshire. Alright guys, that's it. That was the good and bad of trucking in New Hampshire. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2064 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.